Good for man, it's good for ladies, it's good for children. Yes, and it's good for ache in the belly. It's good for the stomach also. It's also good for the ear.
My Jammers family, how you do? Awesome, awesome. So we talk a lot about the papaya. But did you know that the papaya leaf, this is just as potent or even more potent than the papaya. It actually has a lot of health benefits. It boosts immunity, aids in digestion, and has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. Today, from the hills of Mazeland in Catadupa, I'm with Ms Ena. She's gonna help us explore the wonders of this plant. And stay to the end, because if you're into hair care, you'll also love to hear how wonderful this can help your hair. If you're here for the first time, I encourage you to subscribe now. We do a lot of these kind of videos and I don't want you to miss any of that. So do that. Hit the subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to Ms Ena and the papaya leaf. Oh, one more thing, how could I forget? I must say a special shout out to you, all my ardent subscribers, you who always watch my videos, like, share, and comment on them. I say salute. Thank you. Let's go to Ms Ena. All right, so here she is, guys. Ms Ena. Ms Ena, say hi to the world.
Hi.
Everybody say hi, Ms Ena.
To everybody.
Live from Catadupa. All right, and this is one of the papaya leaf. Another miracle, another wonder of nature that a lot of people don't know about. Another one here, another one here. She has it right in her backyard, you know. She's living the life in the hills here, guys. She has all the plants. I'm gonna show you a few more later on, but this is a papaya leaf and the papaya tree. We're gonna quiz Ms Ena now, test her knowledge and all her and what she know about papaya. This is the trunk.
Yes, this is the trunk.
This is the trunk, and it grows tall to probably how high, Ms Ena?
10.
Oh, 10 probably.
Yes,
10,
yes.
12 feet. All right. And for those who don't know exactly and have no idea, come on, look closer, Ms Ena. People who don't have no idea what papaya leaf looks like. This is it, guys. This is how it looks. Jaggedy leaves. It's one leaf, but it looks
Sprung,
to me.
yeah.
It has a lot of different
sprung.
parts to it.
Yes.
And there's a stem here, similar to the trumpet leaf, I would say, right?
Yes.
Sort of thing, which I talked about earlier. There's a link in the description to that video, and it has several branches like this. Goes straight off the
trunk.
Of the base, yeah, the trunk, and then the fruit would appear
like this
somewhere here.
Yeah.
Right now it's
young,
blossoming. It's blossoming, yeah.
Blossoming. Yes. About to bear fruit. Yes.
All right. So this is it. This is it. Ms Ena, tell us what you know about this.
Yeah. Well, I know the papaya leaf. It's good for tea. It's very bitter.
It's bitter too?
Yes, it's bitter.
I'm gonna be honest, I've never had it.
Yes, it's bitter. But when we are going to prepare it for tea, then we get it like this and we get it dry. Yeah, we do not do it, we do not drink it green. We get it dry.
Yes.
So when we get it dry now, you have less stain in it. Yes.
Yes.
And then now it's good for every area. It's good for man, it's good for ladies, it's good for children. Yes, and it's good for ache in the belly. It's good for the stomach also. Yes.
When I say good for the stomach, for digestion.
Digestion.
Yes,
digestion for the stomach. Yes. And it let you sleep. And if you have an upset stomach, you can boil this and drink it. It settle it less than no time. Within 5 minutes time, it's settled. What
amount will you normally?
Well, let me show you. Like this is one of the leaf. You can just break it just for a cup of tea. Yeah, just for a cup of tea. So you just draw it. You wash this, put it in the container, boil the water, pour in it, cover it up for maybe 2 minutes, and then you drink it. Without sugar, it's better. Yes.
And I was gonna ask what it tastes like, but you said it's bitter.
It's bitter.
Is there any other herb or herb that you think people can relate it to? Yeah.
Maybe like Cersei.
Cersei.
Yes.
Is that bitter?
Bitter. Yes.
Is that Cersei is terrible? Is
yes,
it
bitter? It's bitter.
It's bitter.
Yes. So when you are going to do it, no, you don't do a whole lot as if you do a lot of Cersei. Yes, because it's bitter.
Yes.
Yes, and you know the things that is bitter is very good for the body.
Yes.
Because the body tend to want the sweet things all the while.
Yes.
So when the bitter things go, it counteract the sickness.
Detox and clean.
Yes, and detox and clean.
Yes.
It's also good for the hair.
Oh, yes. Well, tell us what you know about the hair.
Yeah, what I know about the hair. You have some people have some little and the skull things like you'd scrape it and they say it look like fungus. Not really that.
Yes.
But you boil it.
Yes.
And when you boil it, you use it just as how you use a shampoo. Yes, and you wash it, you rinse it, and then the taste of this leave back in the hair. So it clear up whatsoever. And it strengthen the hair roots. Yes, and allow it to grow. Yes.
Ms Ena just give away a little bit of the bonus, but I have more bonus for you. I have more bonus for you guys. Don't worry. I have
and
yeah, go ahead.
It's good for worm also.
Deworm.
Yes.
It's a detox basically. It's a cleanser.
Yes.
And just to let the folks know that you are into herbs.
Yes.
And this is just one of the many herbs.
Yes.
The many herbs, guys, that she sells. And I'm gonna share how you can link her a little later on. And the information is in the description, but I'll talk about it a little later on. A couple of questions for you, my friend. Some of them are a little bit redundant, but these are questions people ask. I'm gonna still ask it. It says, can I boil and drink? Obviously, well, actually, you said it's more steep. You steep it, but you can boil it.
Yeah, you can boil it, but I mean, suppose you want it that bitter. You can boil it. Yes. Suppose you just want the bitter taste, you can steam it.
Yes. Another question somebody asked is, what does papaya leaf do for your stomach? And you already said that it settles it.
Settles it.
Yeah, so it aids in digestion. We say that if you feel upset. Yes. Do you know if there are any side effects of papaya leaves?
No.
We're not aware of. Yeah, we're not aware of that.
Not aware of it.
All right, there may be, but we don't know. But for what we know is that it's good.
It's good. Yes.
Yes. And you take everything in moderation. We tell people don't overdo either.
That's right.
Awesome. So that's a papaya leaf.
You talk about the papaya itself.
And we haven't spoken about the papaya yet.
Yes.
But we're gonna do a separate video on the papaya. Okay. But I mean, while we're at it, you can probably mention. I know the papaya is really good. The seeds are very good.
Very good.
But you can take a minute to share, man, as a little bonus. More bonus for you guys. Go ahead and tell them.
The seed, it's good for food.
The seed?
Yes. Well, sometimes it's hard to swallow like that. So while you peg your papa and eat it, you just eat everything one time. And it's easier to go down. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I know, and I also know that it helps to kind of flush the system. It's almost like
it flushes the system.
Yeah, it helps to clean. Yeah, helps things
Remember,
work through.
it's a cleanser.
Yes, it's a cleanser. Yes. All right, guys. So let's go in the cool, and then I'm gonna share some of the amazing health benefits. Some of them Ms Ena knows. Some of them she might not know because she just grow this stuff, sell this stuff, and she's talking from a cultural, traditional perspective. But I'm gonna share some of the scientific stuff with you now about papaya leaves. Number one, it's rich in enzymes. Papaya leaves contains enzymes like papain and chymopapin, which aids in digestion and breaking down proteins. This also helps alleviate digestive issues such as bloating and constipation. We talked a little bit about that already, Ms Ena.
Yeah.
It has immune boosting properties. Yes, that's the big one we spoke about. It's packed with vitamin A, C, and E, as well as other antioxidants like flavonoids and beta-carotene. These help strengthen the immune system, protect the body against infection and illnesses. Anti-inflammatory properties, we spoke about that too. Compounds like flavonoids and phenolic acids found in papaya leaves have anti-inflammatory effects, which may help to reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate conditions like arthritis and joint pain. Ms Ena, you know that.
Yes.
Liver support, it contains compounds that support liver function and aid in the detoxification, antimicrobial activity. There are studies that suggest that papaya leaves possess antimicrobial properties to help fight against bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This may help in treating infections and promoting overall health. Blood platelet support. There's some research that indicates that papaya leaf extract may help increase platelet counts in individuals with low platelet levels and those with dengue fever. You remember the time when dengue they used a lot of papaya?
Yes,
but even in the corona here, they had papaya. Papaya was a big part of the fix. And it also has potential implications for maintaining certain blood disorders, they say, right? Skin health. Let me see your skin, Ms Ena.
Yeah.
Nice clean skin. Antioxidants and vitamins present in papaya leaves help promote skin health by combating free radical damage and supporting collagen production. Number 8, digestive health. We spoke about that. Yeah, we talked about all of that already. Yes. This is all us reiterating, guys. Beyond enzyme activity, papaya leaves contain dietary fiber, which promotes regularity and supports a healthy digestive system. The fiber also helps prevent constipation and promote a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Yes, man. Any one of them jump out at you, though? Anything here that we mentioned new to you?
No.
You know most of them already.
I know most of them.
Yeah.
Not only say I don't try all of them.
Yes. You don't need to, because you don't necessarily have all of the issues. Yes. All right, guys. So the bonus. I'm gonna talk about papaya for hair care. Ms Ena was very generous and she started sharing some of the bonus with you already. But we're gonna talk a little bit more about some of them. If you're into hair care, whether you're a male or female, you'll love to know what papaya leaves can do for you. So here we go. And actually, guys, I want to ask you right now, if you're getting any value from this, I want you to hit that like button right now. Right now, man, I need you to do that. Click that right button right now. So papaya for hair care. Number 1, it contains enzymes like papain, which can help unclog hair follicles and promote better circulation to the scalp. This can help stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. Number 2, it strengthens the hair. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants present in papaya leaves nourish the hair follicles and strengthen the hair strands, making them less prone to breakage and damage. Adds shine and softness, they say. Papaya leaf by moisturizing the scalp and hydrating the hair strands. Good stuff. It can treat dandruff and scalp irritation. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of papaya leaf help to smooth an irritated scalp and reduce dandruff by combating fungal and bacterial infection. Some of you mentioned earlier, Ms Ena, right?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. So how you use it? I want to pause again and ask you right now, guys. Hit that like button for me. Hit it now because you're getting value. I'm pretty sure. You never know all of this stuff about papaya leaves, but now you know. Number 1, how do you use it? There's 3 ways. I have here. You can use, based on my research, you can use it as a hair mask. Basically, crush a handful of fresh papaya leaf into a paste, using a blender or a mortar or something like that, and apply the paste to your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots and the ends.
Yes.
Leave it for about 30 minutes to say, to an hour, and then rinse it with lukewarm water, and then shampoo as normal, Ms Ena.
Yes.
Right? You can use it as infused oil. Infuse it in a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Just crush a few papaya leaves, add them to a jar of your chosen oil, and let the mixture sit for a couple of weeks in a cool, dark place, shaking it occasionally. You know? Afterwards, strain out the leaves and use the infused oil to massage your scalp and hair. You hear that, Ms Ena?
Yes.
Leave it for an hour overnight, and then you wash it as well. And finally, a papaya leaf rinse, they say. You can boil a handful of papaya leaf in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make a concentrated papaya leaf tea. Allow it to cool, then strain out the leaf. Use the papaya leaf tea as a final rinse after shampooing and conditioning your hair. Leave it for a few minutes before rinsing it out with water. Now you know. Papaya leaves for hair care, guys. I want to hear from you. Come on, talk to me. What jumped out at you so far from papaya leaf? You didn't know that this is another powerhouse you have in your backyard. You didn't know it's a powerhouse you have on your farm. Everything about these plants we are studying, we are exploring, realize that God is so good. And all of the, you know what I'm noticing, Ms Ena, that a lot of the herbs and the fruits and stuff that we feature, I mean, it's not just a fruit, all parts of it, many times, all parts of it have some value.
Yes.
The leaf,
the root,
the stem,
the trunk,
and if it's a fruit, the fruit, yes, everything. So God has been good.
And sometimes we throw away the best part.
We throw away the best part. You know what I learned too? Not to deviate, but the pumpkin, you know, back in, I don't know if you still do it. Back in the days when I was growing up, Westmoreland there, it's a farming community and we have a lot of food. And like the pumpkin, we would eat the pumpkin and just throw away the seed. Or the middle part, you know. I learned later on that the seed is probably the most nutritious part of it.
I sit down many times and pick them out.
But did you know that from early too? That the seed was good or later?
Yes, I know that the seed is good. Because even last week I was telling a young lady about it. And she said, she noticed when she said she wouldn't buy it because the seed have a different look when they bite. I said, no, you have to pick it out. It's into a little oak. So when I pick it out and show her, she said, no, I know.
Oh, now you know. Now you know. And now you know about the papaya, guys. Papaya leaves. And it's amazing health benefits. Thank you, Ms Ena. Ms Ena, sorry. Thank you, Ms Ena. If anybody interested in touching base with you, for this or any other herb that you offer, because you actually are also in the market.
Yes.
And you sell a wide range. When I checked the last time, probably about 50 different herbs and stuff that you have on offer there. Dried herbs mainly. How can they get in touch with you?
Well, they come to the Charles Garden Market, round after the, what would say, the front gate. And come to where I'm near on to where they sell the fire coal. So everybody around there know me.
Ms
Just
Ena.
ask for Ms Ena.
Your number to
and my shop number is 19. I have 19 and 18.
Okay.
Shop number.
But in terms of maybe persons who are watching from overseas who might be interested in calling you. Maybe making some arrangements or whatever it is. Is there a phone number?
Yes. 1876 465 5012.
876
465
465
5012.
5012.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
Blessings. Thank you for all you do, promoting the herbs and the good stuff here in Jamaica. All right? All right, guys. I should go give her a thumbs up again for me and share this video. All right. One more thing, guys. Ms Ena give me chocolate tea. Original chocolate tea she give me. I want to bigger up for that as well. It tastes good too. She beat it in the mouth and everything original, everything original. Ms Ena, the papaya leaf, guys. Listen, man, you need to stop now and share this video right now. Pause and hit that share button. Share with someone right now. There's another video I think you'll really love to see. And that's a plant I consider it the most underrated plant in Jamaica, if not the world. It's a trumpet leaf. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you, that one.